Guns and ammunition are flying off the shelves right now, making it nearly impossible for gun owners to find what they need. And one local gun store owner tells me there's not just one reason behind the shortage.
Went into one of the local stores, the shelves were cleaned out, and the gun selection was next to nothing.
It's almost always the same question. I've called 12 places today, I've been to 3, I'm just looking for a little bit of this.
Tyler Miller is the general manager at Wilshire Gun in Oklahoma City. He says the demand for guns and ammo is unlike anything he's seen.
You have a lot of people out there who are looking at a lot of uncertainty and fear going around in our country at a pretty much an unprecedented rate in our country. I haven't really seen it with a level of uncertainty like this since, I was a young soldier going off to war in 2001 after 9/11.
The most wanted weapons: shotguns, AR-15s, AK-47s, and handguns.
I believe it's just people wanting to protect their family.
Online, popular stores like Cheaper Than Dirt, Sportsman's Guide, and Ammunition Depot show ammo and some firearms are sold out. On top of a shortage in supply, some gun owners tell me some stores are limiting customers on how much they can buy. And as for prices,
If they have it at all, prices have just about tripled.
Miller said price increases are to be expected. It is an election year, and that usually drives up demand, driving up your bottom line. How long have you been looking?
About 4 to 5 months. And when I do, they're so high priced, it's not worth buying.
But that's not the only thing that's making the price go up.
The economies are coming down and economic GDPs across the world are all coming down. So people's economies are not producing anywhere what they were prior to COVID. A lot of places are still restricted and shut down.
And then there are first-time gun buyers who are purchasing guns in record numbers. Data from the FBI released last month shows a record-breaking 3.9 million background checks were conducted this past June, the most since the system was created in November 1988.
What's interesting is that you have this huge number, and it's being driven by both gun sales and a massive uptick of people who are trying to get their concealed carry permits and are trying to get more training.
According to stats by the Oklahoma State Bureau of Investigation, 11,370 people either applied for or renewed their concealed carry permit from January to June this year, and nearly 97,000 background checks were done through the state in the past 6 months.
Since the beginning of COVID, we have one of the longest sustained month-over-month run increases on gun purchasing that we've ever had. That really, it's pretty much the highest we've ever had in the history of the data that we've collected of the firearms industry.
Training courses at Wilshire Gun are packed right now, despite people not needing a permit to carry a gun in Oklahoma. Some people we spoke with think they know why.
People are afraid right now. Every time you watch the news, there's bad things happening in the streets, and people are going to defend themselves.
And as for the shortage, Miller says it could last a long time, even into next year.
Most of what we order is from Remington. They're based out of New York, and they have largely shut down production because of New York's COVID-19 response. So it's nearly impossible to get any of their shotguns.
My advice is if you can find some ammunition, that you need to go ahead and buy it, almost regardless of the price, if you absolutely need it.
Miller says they are working on stocking up supplies here at the store, sourcing from different locations, but says the shortage could go into 2021. In Oklahoma City, I'm Erica Stanish, Fox 25 News.